Hello everybody and welcome to In the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire. We're gonna do a quick little recipe here for you guys. Ever been stuck in a situation where you have some ramen noodles and you don't know what to do with it? Well, I'm gonna show you a little something real quick. I have some kale here, some mushrooms, garlic, scotch bonnet peppers, eggs, onions, scallions, carrot, and of course the dried ramen noodles. So we're gonna take this to another level and show you guys. So stay put. So we're back. Right now we chopped the scallions in the scotch bonnet. Some of them we did the scallions very small on the bias in the scotch bonnet into little round circles. We have some big chunks of scallions here that we're gonna add to the broth we're cooking. These scallions will be for garnish. Then we have finely chopped sliced garlic that we're gonna saute. These carrots are cut really thin so that when we put them in the broth at the last minute, they'll cook fast and they still have to crunch. And we have these portobello mushrooms that we will saute. The soy sauce, we have the eggs and our kale. So we're gonna start with the process. Right now we have some vegetable stock that is boiling. So we're gonna add the scallions to it, the big chunk scallions, so we can let all the extra flavors add to it. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna saute the carrots, the mushrooms, the garlic, and also some onions that we had. So first thing I'm gonna start with is the onions. Then we're gonna add our garlic. Make sure that your heat is not too high so it doesn't burn. Then we add the carrots. And we let this cook a little bit. And then now you want to add your mushrooms at the last minute and let that cook a little minute until you see the mushrooms are a little soft but not too soft. So in the meantime, you want to add your noodles and your broth. And I like my food a little spicy, so I had a chunk of scotch bonnet that I cut. I'll add to this, cover it up, and let it boil until it's just tender enough. While you have your mushroom, carrots, garlic, and onions cooking. And as of right now, the last remainder of ingredients that we have is the kale, eggs, soy sauce, and these garnishes. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do with that. So now to finish these mushrooms, carrots, and stuff, just add some of the soy sauce on it so you can deglaze it. And they are pretty much done. So you remove them from the heat. And now your noodles are pretty much done now. And I had removed the little chunk of scotch bonnet that I had. So what I'll do is I'll add the kale. And you don't want to cook it too much, you still want some chunk, some crunch, some bite into the food. And you add your mushroom and carrot mixture. So stir that, and you want to taste to make sure that all the seasonings, the flavors there. If you need to add a little bit more soy sauce or some salt if you want, you add to it, and then this is pretty much done. So now for the final step, we're gonna plate, and hope you guys enjoy it. So as I said, this is the final look of the plate. So what I did is I cracked the egg and separated the egg yolk from the egg white. Use only the egg yolk. Garnished it with some scallions, the fine scallions we had, and the fine Scotch bonnet peppers that we had. So here you go, folks. Quick and easy recipe with some stuff that you might have at home. You know, scallions, carrots, some onions, some mushrooms. You have the dried noodles in the pantry that you want to use, some soy sauce, and quick, easy, fun, and flavorful. So once you guys try it, please let me know and leave your comments on the page. Thank you and have a good one. This was In the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire.